all of you for having taken that first step, for having actually made it to this event, and for showing yourself that you care about yourself. And that is, I think, the most important part that I'm going to, talk about today. So before I begin, thanks a lot to Umashankar for, the nice introduction that you gave. And both the teams at Avatar Career Creators and Flexi Careers India have really toiled today to make sure that this dream of creating Segway sessions at Hyderabad is a reality. Now, before I begin, taking you through the journey that has been what Avatar I Win stands for, I just want to show you a little thing which demonstrates or depicts what the Indian woman's life is all about. It is this. I don't know if you can see it clearly. It is a snake and ladder story. You're born as a girl, and then you study really well. You go to college or school. You must have done exceedingly well there. And even if you did marginally, you're one of those few women who actually managed to get a full education and then move into a career. So it's been ladders. All this while it has been ladders, okay? And then you get a job and you get married. Sorry, you know what marriage is. It's a lovely experience. I'm married and I hope to stay married forever. Okay? And I have children too. But marriage, childbirth, childcare, elder care, I'm sorry to say, in India they are all snakes, which are waiting at some point or the other to come and, strike at you like that and bring you back down to the first square in the snakes and ladders. So you want to begin all over again. So what do you need then? Come on, what do you need? If you've been bitten by a snake, what do you need? Ladders. Yes, absolutely right. So the whole idea of creating events like this, opportunities like this, engaging with corporates, many corporates who are represented today and who have arrived here today and who have given us their wholehearted support, is to be able to create ladders for us. Ladders for every woman in the Indian workplace. If you, manage to see today's Economic Times, on the very front page, right at the top, there is an infographic, which is, a kind of picture with a lot of information that has been given by us to the Economic Times. You will find that of the close to 500 plus million women in the Indian subcontinent, in the Indian country, in this country of India, close to 50% are women. But of these, just 9.8 million women are actually pursuing careers, which is a small percentage. And even of those 9.8 million, 18% women are tried year on year, meaning they quit and leave the workplace. And what is this after? This is after, good education, good tertiary education, good postgraduate, course, and then a great job, and then 2-3 years, and then the break happens. So this is something that we have been seeing now for many, many years, and we decided something has to be done about it. We know that there are a lot of snakes. Yes. Okay, I'm really sorry to be calling marriage, family values, childbearing, first generation careers, child rearing, all of these may be snakes because they are actually harming the Indian woman's career because of the lack of support. But there are many ladders too. So what could those ladders be? Those ladders are things like networking, flexible working, daycare services, mentoring, supportive peers, and last but not the least, re-entry opportunities for women. So it is this re-entry opportunities that we began focusing on. So I'm now going to, very quickly take you through that journey, which is what led to the Segway sessions here at Hyderabad today. So we actually started Avatar I Win, as a service under Avatar Career Creators in the year 2005. It was launched on the 2nd of December 2005. And at that point of time, we had about 200 women on the network. So it was just some 200 women, mostly people whom we ourselves knew, who we would say somebody's wife, somebody's friend, somebody's sister, somebody's neighbor saying, hey, you know what? Oh, you're doing some work for second career women? I know somebody who's taken a break in career. Can I ask her to apply? So it was fully word of mouth, 200 women, small, set up in Chennai in the year 2005. At that point of time, there were 58 lakh women in the Indian workplace. And women's attrition was at about 18% even then. So the whole initiative to include second career women started off by setting up the site called www.avtariwin.com. So we set it up and we were inundated with, queries and requests from various organizations, women, everybody saying, what are you going to do? What is Avatar Iwin all about? What will it, actually achieve? What is the purpose? All of this. So we started working on it. We embarked upon a lot of research studies. We tried to find out, what women really wanted. What was it that they expected, to be given to them through Avatar Iwin. So all of these things, started happening at that point of time, and we slowly grew from 200 members to about 5,000 members. And these were, 3 years, 2006, 7 and 8. So we had some major corporate breakthroughs at that point of time. Why am I calling it a breakthrough? I mean, it's not like a scientific invention that we did or something, but just the fact that, convincing a corporate which has so many priorities. See, ultimately the corporate is in the business of making profits for its stakeholders, right? So the corporate is not interested who is there in the workplace. Is it a woman or a man or a second career woman or some other kind of a person? Corporate doesn't care. The corporate is interested in ensuring that there is a profitable organization which is being led. But in those corporates, at that point of time, what we went and said was, please have more women in your workplace. And that was the start of this whole thought of diversity. So why should a corporate actually engage with more women in the workplace? Today, when we conduct Segway sessions, we have now partnered with more than 40 corporates across India. And some of the best names that you can think of. And today, right now over here, we have Google, we have Microsoft, we have Vodafone, we have Wells Fargo, we have Naturals. All of these organizations are today partnering with us in Segway Sessions Hyderabad, and we owe a big, thanks of gratitude to them. So